Chugga chugga chug chug chug. Chew chew. Chugga chugga chug chug. Chew chew. Oh hey. How are you? Are you doing great? I'm doing fantastic. Oh, sorry, I'm waking up again. This next beer is, in my opinion, this beer is called Steam Whistle. In my opinion, is the best beer that you could buy in Canada. Steam Whistle literally makes your whistle steam. Literally, like your cock is gonna erect and it's gonna steam and go like a fucking train. It's gonna chug and chug and chug and chug, and you'll be screaming a chew chew after drinking this Steam Whistle. It's Canadian premium Pizzler from Toronto. This is literally, I'm telling you, like, take my word for it, this is the best beer made in Canada. Hands down. I don't care if I haven't tried all the beers from Canada. That last beer I had, last episode, was like Satan's nutsack dipped in sriracha with chili flakes on it going in my fucking mouth. This thing is Steam Whistle. Steam Whistle Tron. Let's try this beer. Oh, man. Oh. This is beautiful. Oh, na. What's my name? Oh, na. What's my name? Oh, na. What's my name? What's my name? Oh, this is tasting like if Rihanna's pussy was in my mouth. I would lick it, suck it, drink it dry, and then have another, and then have another, and then have another, and then chugga chugga, and then my dick goes like a whistle steaming. Choo choo, choo choo. This beer is good. Beer is good. Steam Whistle. I'm the one with the balls. And I'm gonna say it. Best beer in Canada. Best beer in Canada. Steam Whistle. Chugga chugga. Chugga. Choo choo. Oh, stay classy, stay golden.